Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a solar powered battery bank. Alright, so right here we have a solar charger power bank that will charge up all your devices. This is a 30,000 milliamp solar charger. This one right here, it states that it can charge an iPhone 11 to 50% in just 30 minutes. So right here in the box, it says power your life, power your work. First off, we have the battery charger. We're going to put that to the side so you can see what else comes in the box. So right here is the user manual. This basically tells you about it, that it is waterproof. So as long as the ports are completely covered, you can submerge it in water. It does come with a USB cable to charge it if you're not going to charge it using solar. And it does come with a clip, so you can clip it onto your pants, your backpack. And this is the Type-C plug. So this will work on any device, including iPhones, Samsungs. So right here is the charger itself. On the bottom, you'll see this white pad. This is going to be your flashlight. You have 3 modes. You have a flashlight, you have SOS, and you have strobe. So right here under this little port right here is your there's 2 USB cables to plug in your devices. You have an in-out, which that's where you'll plug into your charger to charge this up if you don't want to charge it by the sun. So as long as this is closed and these are not exposed, this is waterproof, so you got to make sure you close this tightly. You've got the power button right here. It is very rugged. It's got a nice grip to it. You can see the bottom, the side. So now let's go and turn on the flashlight. In order to turn it on, you'll have to hold it down. So there is your flashlight. You click it one more time, you'll get the SOS. Then you get strobe. One more time and it turns it off. So there's your flashlight. It is kind of bright, not like a normal flashlight, but I mean it gives you a little light at night if you're out and about and you don't have any flashlight, say you're camping. It gives you a little bit of light. So there's these buttons on the side right here or at the top. That is your indicator lights. This is 3 buttons. There's 4 of them right there, so 3 of them basically means it's almost fully charged, but it's not fully charged. So when they're all completely full, that means it's completely fully charged. See if you can get a better look at it with the light. It's showing 3. So this does offer rapid charge, a 3 amp input, 8 hours to fully charge. Regular 2.1 amp is all the other devices. Say for instance you have a different solar panel charger. This one here offers a 3 amp versus a 2.1. This does come with a clip, so you can clip it on the side right here, so you can clip it to a backpack or your pants. You can take this anywhere. It's give you great protection. It's fully dust proof, water resistant. You get 3,000 milliamp, which is fast charging. You get a flashlight, you got 3 outputs, and this is a really good source of solar panel. So when you're out and about, like I said, you can just let your phone charge with this charger. It's really nice. It's rugged. See, this little light right here will light up once it's charging. I would definitely recommend this. I've used this a couple times. I actually have a OnePlus 8 Pro and I've charged it 4 or 5 times and I still have some battery left on it. And whenever it's completely drained, I would just stick it outside in the sun and let it completely charge, or I can plug it in to the outlet to have it completely charged. Either way, it's a really nice thing to have if you're going camping and you need a little light, some extra power to charge up your iPhones or your Samsung phones or your iPads. I know this can charge up an iPad mini 3.5 charges. The Samsung S20 can be charged up to 7 times, and the iPhone 11 8.5 charges. So I would definitely check this one out. This is definitely one to check out.